Good morning, class 12 commerce. The last video, last lecture for the chapter ratio analysis. We are doing return on investment or return on capital employed or yield on investment. The formula is net profit before interest and tax divided by capital employed into 100. Here we have given net profit before interest and tax, and in sum it is given net profit after interest but before tax. We have given net profit after interest but before tax. It is rupees 1,40,000. We need it before interest and tax. So it is before tax, but it is after interest. What we have to do? We have to add interest. And here interest is NCL. Non-current liability is given to us. And this non-current liability is 4 lakh. And here it is given 15%. So 15% into 4 lakh, it becomes 60,000. So it becomes 2 lakh, my dear. One thing has come. Net profit before interest and tax. Now we need capital employed. Capital employed is equal to what? Shareholder fund. Shareholder fund plus non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings. Here shareholder fund are 2,40,000. Shareholder fund stands for equity share capital, preference share capital, reserve and surplus. Non-current liability, long-term borrowing, it is given 4 lakh. 4 lakh. So my dear, it becomes 6,40,000 rupees. Let us apply the formula. Net profit before interest and tax 2 lakh divided by 6,40,000 into 100 and find the answer. This is known as return on investment or return on capital employed. Sum number 104. Here sum is asking two things, return on investment and inventory turnover ratio. For return on investment, we need net profit before interest and tax. In an entire sum, not a single point is given which is related with net profit. So what to do? Let us apply first this formula. Inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue divided by average inventory. Cost of revenue, what is the formula? Cost of revenue. The longer formula we have to use. Opening inventory plus purchases minus closing inventory. Opening inventory is 30,000. Purchase is given to us 1 lakh. 1 lakh. And closing inventory is given 40,000. 40,000, my dear. So here cost of revenue comes 90,000. Now average inventory, opening inventory plus closing inventory, 30 plus 40 divided by 2. So our average inventory comes 30,000 plus 40,000 divided by 2, it comes 35,000. Now we can use this formula here easily. Cost of revenue divided by 35,000. This is your answer. Now with the help of cost of revenue, let us try to find net profit for our return on investment. As we know, cost of revenue, one more formula is given, revenue from operation minus GP. Cost of revenue just we calculated 90,000. Revenue is given 2 lakh. Revenue from operation 2 lakh minus GP. We would be able to calculate GP. It comes 1,10,000. 1,10,000. Now GP has come. Now let us calculate net profit. Net profit is equal to GP minus indirect expenses and add income if given in the sum. But here no income is given. Okay, I forgot one thing over here. There in cost of revenue, opening inventory plus purchase plus direct expenditure. Here carriage inward is given plus 10,000 we have to do. I forgot to do here direct expenditure. So when you will calculate it, my dear, it will come 1 lakh. So here 1 lakh divided by this, and here it is also 1 lakh. So here GP come 1 lakh. So 1 lakh minus indirect expense. Indirect expense it is given this one 15,000. 15,000. So my dear, net profit before interest and tax is 85. How can we say it is before interest and tax? Because in sum neither interest nor tax is given. Now the second item we need for capital employed is capital employed. For capital employed, just I told the formula to you. What was the formula? Shareholder fund plus non-current liabilities. But here not a single item of shareholder fund or NCL is given. So if you remember, we discussed one more formula for capital employed, that was non-current assets plus current assets minus current liabilities. Here non-current assets NCA 80,000 rupees, current assets 50,000 rupees, and minus current liability 20,000 rupees. So from here we would be able to calculate capital employed. Now things are with us. Net profit 85,000 divided by capital employed. So this is one more formula which is related with return on investment. Let us see, sir, one more sum for it. Return on investment, the last video lecture. With this we would be able to complete our chapter ratio analysis. Now the one more sum we are going to take is, here the sum is 105. 105 last sum. We have given share capital, equity preference capital 4 lakh, 1 lakh. We have given general reserve 2,70,000. We have given 10% debenture 4 lakh. 4 lakh. We have given current liabilities 1 lakh. We have given net profit after interest and tax 80,000, and income tax is 50%. So sir, as per our formula, the sum is asking calculate return on investment. Just I discussed the formula net profit before interest and tax, but we have given net profit after interest and tax. So let us convert it, sir. Net profit after interest and tax is 80,000. So first what we are going to add here? First we want to convert it in before. हम इसको पहले करना चाहते हैं before interest and tax. तो first we will add tax. How much tax is given? 50%. It means tax will be also here 80,000. So it comes 160. I told how to calculate it. How? Let us see. Net profit after tax is equal to net profit before tax minus tax. यही होगा ना? नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स में से टैक्स लेस कर देंगे तो नेट प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स आ जाएगा. दिस इज गिवन 80,000. दिस प्रॉफिट इज नॉट गिवन टू अस. लेट अस assume it x minus 50% of what? Always remember this 50% will be of net profit before tax. So into x upon 100. So x minus x by 2. Do this calculation. Here it will come this one 160. Now we will add interest. From where interest will come, sir? 10% debenture 4 lakh. So 4 lakh into 10% 40,000. So 40,000. So your net profit comes, my dear friends. Net profit after interest and before interest and tax is 2 lakh. Now we need capital employed. Share capital, equity plus preference 5 lakh. Reserve and surplus 2,70,000, and then NCL non-current liability debenture 4 lakh. This calculation come 11,70,000. Find the ratio 2 lakh upon 11,70,000 into 100. So this was our chapter ratio analysis. With this we come to an end of chapter ratio analysis. complete your assignment. I will give it today to you. Thank you very much.